Hi guys, this is rotational velocity, and we're going to look at a problem here where it says there's an object. Now we don't care what the object is particularly, and on any quiz and test I might give you an object like the Earth or a ball being spun around on a string. It could be any of those things, but let's go with generic here. So there's an object that is being swung around in circular motion. It's going around from a central point. And then it says that the radius, okay, that radius from the center of the circle to the outside of the circle is 2 meters. Okay, so that radius is 2 meters. And it also says, so we'll put this down here. Radius is 2 meters. Okay, and it also says that the period, the time it takes to go around one circle, is 5 seconds. Okay, and it asks us what is the rotational velocity. Okay, well, we know that we just came up with a formula for rotational velocity. Rotational velocity is 2 pi r over the period, because we know that this is the circumference of the circle and this is the period that it takes to go around once. So rotational velocity, okay, will be easy as writing 2 times pi times the radius over the period. Okay, so just doing the calculation will give us 4 pi over 5 seconds. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, so 4 Okay, so rotational velocity would be 2.51 meters per second. All right, and that is the rotational velocity of that object. Okay, that's this. Now we could apply that to large objects, small objects, and this is kind of important when we're getting into gravitational forces and such, which we're going to be looking at later. Okay, so that's an example of how to find rotational velocity.